Hey everyone, welcome to my course. My name is Chinmay and I want to say thank you so much that you purchased this course. So in this video I'm just going to introduce this course, like what we are going to build and how I planned this course to help you to get a job as a Java or Kotlin backend developer, specifically to build distributed services. So in this course we are going to build a distributed server which can use to notify your users in real time using WebSockets and Redis pops up. So as a tech stack, I'm going to use Java or Kotlin and Spring Boot Webflux, Redis pops up, Docker, Nginx, load balancer, and the WebSockets. So I'm going to write code along with you, and also we are going to write test for the core features of the project. So we are going to write unit test and the integration test. So like when you write the unit test, basically you just try to test all the each and every single component of the app, so you make sure that they are working, but you are mocking the services, so you are not actually hitting the Redis server or your PostgreSQL server. But when you write integration test, you make sure that your application is so much robust, non-breaking, and highly scalable. So for that purpose, we are going to write integration test as well. So we will make sure that our distributed server is actually a real production grade deployable application. So at the end, I can say that with this course, you will be building a production grade distributed server which can use for different services like a real-time score updating service or a real-time cryptocurrency exchange update service. So like whatever you can think of. So I think as of now, when I'm recording this video on YouTube or on Udemy, there is no project available like this. So this is going to be the first project of this type. So I'm going to, and yeah, one more thing, I just want to share that I will be using Jira as a project management tool. So throughout the course, we will be tracking and keeping an eye of the progress of the project using Jira and Confluence. So we will be using Confluence to make like a documentation for the project, and we'll be using Jira to manage tasks. So like you will be connecting your GitHub with Jira, so you can manage your tasks, your commits, your branches very effectively, like you actually do in day-to-day life when you work in a medium to large size company. Because we use even in my company, we use Jira in production level to manage a big code base or tasks between a team of more than 100 people. So I think Jira is a must knowing tool. So if you take this course, you will be learning of course how to write a distributed service using Redis, PubSub, and WebSockets in Java or Kotlin. And along with that, you will be also learning that how to use Jira at production level. So these two things I'm going to teach you throughout the course, and I will try to keep the course neat and clean and very concise, so it won't take your it won't take a lot of your time, but in a limited time this course will try to teach you as much as to help you to get a job after this course. One thing I can assure you, that if you take this course and if you work hard till end, then this course will definitely help you to stand out when you are appearing for the interviews, and this course will shine your resume, your current resume, because this is a very unique and ultimate type of project which is not available out there right now. So yeah, one more time, I just want to say thank you so much for joining the course. If you have joined it already, otherwise I'll be waiting to see you in the classroom. So in the next video, I'm going to explain the architecture of the application, how I am going to plan, or how I want to plan that project and the architecture of the service. So that will also help you to understand how a distributed server actually works. So yeah, I'll see you next class. Thank you so much. Yeah, one more thing I just forgot to mention, that when we will be deploying our project to the render.com, we'll be using CI/CD pipeline to maintain the deployment flow from our local development to the production development. So yeah, I'll be teaching you how to write a CI/CD pipeline for a distributed service to test it, and like after the test, basically you try to deploy your application like directly from your local development via Docker registry to the render.com. So I'm not going to use AWS in this course. I'm just going to use render.com because my main motive is not to teach you like how to set up infrastructure or how to deploy your application, but how to build a distributed server. So that is the main topic or main motive of this course. So yeah, thank you.